All right, we're back and moving straight along on this wonderful Saturday. Just about 2 weeks to go before Christmas. Time for Fit Food Fast here on the show. And joining us back on set is our fitness chef, Charlene Procope. What does Charlene Procope do? She takes some wonderful ingredients and swap it out and gives us some healthy options. And really sometimes it's needed. Because outside of Charlene, when you think about, you have the ham, you have the turkey,
chicken,
you have
macaroni
the chicken,
pie, lasagna. I mean, your plate has been so full.
You need
do you have space for vegetables? You know anybody who just goes to the veggies first for Christmas?
Yeah.
If they do make veggies.
I was asking me that personally because I feel like it was kind of picking on me now.
Joel, when do you make veggies on Christmas? They be honest. You say, let me have a plate, let me do some chunky veg to the side too.
Yeah.
You see veggies?
No.
Most people don't because even at my mom's house, they don't do veggies. Like, I have to be honest, you see the macaroni pie, lasagna, rice, 4 types of chicken, pork, everything, and you don't see any chunky veg or any sorted vegetables.
Nothing green?
No. Yeah, you do some fresh salad.
Yeah,
but you don't have time to do any veggies because you're always thinking about the carbs and the protein.
So that's why Charlene is here, to remind us on Christmas Day and over the holidays, get some veggies in. And she's done a side dish using, that's cauliflower, Charlene?
Cauliflower, yes. Simple ingredient, cauliflower, and I made it so tasty, Joel. It's so, if something doesn't taste good, I would say it don't taste good. Let's be honest. But this does, because I like my hot sauce.
Yeah.
I actually are using an ingredient that I don't really use much, which is sweet chili sauce.
Right.
I'm using lemon juice, but the only thing is I'm using almond flour and almond milk for the batter.
Right.
And basically, Joel, honestly, when you taste it, be honest and tell me.
Can that go alongside my macaroni pie?
Yes, and your ham and your lasagna. Trust me, you might even want to take no lasagna.
I want seconds.
Let me be honest. If you want to take seconds, I will take seconds. Yeah. But normal people will be like, nah, I'll take more chicken. But we're talking about healthy.
But it's important to get some vegetables in.
I try to show people that, for Christmas, you can add a little vegetables to your dish. You don't need to just boil it or blanch it and add salt and black pepper. You could make something nice with it.
Let's see what you're doing with it.
So, Joel, the only thing with the cauliflower is it's a process.
It's a process.
Life is a process. Being healthy is a process.
Yes.
So basically what you're going to do is, this is almond flour and almond milk. You're going to mix this together in a bowl.
So I can just pour it straight in?
Just pour it in a bowl.
And the almond milk?
And the almond milk.
And mix together?
And mix together. Now, a lot of people say, why we're using almond flour and almond milk. I'm honestly trying to be healthy and I'm trying to cut down calories. So, don't use evaporated milk or powdered milk. We want to stick to the healthy side of eating. We're going to add the cauliflower that have blanched.
Straight to this?
Yeah, straight to the mixture. We're going to mix it together. Let's see how good you can mix that.
I need another tool, Charlene.
Yeah.
I need
So you're going to mix this together, and what we're going to do with the cauliflower is, even if it's clumpy, Joel, we're going to leave it because it's like a batter for the cauliflower. Right. Okay. And then you're going to put this into a baking tray that I already have here.
Greased and so on already?
Yeah.
Very well.
We're going to add it to the baking tray, and what we're going to do is bake it. Now, this literally bakes for you're baking it until it gets a little darkish color, brownish color, about 15 minutes. And while this is baking, I am going to mix my sauce for the cauliflower. So you're going to add this in the oven to bake it.
And just bake for how long, Charlene?
For about 15 minutes.
15 minutes it bakes
Now, for my sauce, I'm going to add lemon juice. I'm going to add some hot sauce. Now, it's all up to you how much hot sauce you want to add. If you like your food spicy, add a little more.
What kind of hot sauce is that again?
It's sriracha.
Oh, that's the sriracha?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I'm going to add some sweet chili sauce. And basically, that is it. We're going to mix it together.
So it has a little spiciness.
So it has a little spice. It has a little sweetness to it.
Yeah.
And basically, when the cauliflower comes out of the oven, you mix up everything together and bake it again. And that is it. So now let's take the cauliflower out of the oven and add it to my sauce that I've made. Sweet chili sauce, pepper sauce. You can use your homemade pepper sauce if you want. I use sriracha. You can use some lemon juice.
Yeah.
It's hot.
It's hot.
I know. Basically, we're going to add the cauliflower to the sauce.
Oh, so you're adding it straight to the sauce?
Yeah, straight to the sauce. Let me mix it. Let me just hold the tray. Right. Ooh.
Don't get burned.
Joel, my hands are used to all this
All
heat.
the heat,
Yeah.
you're used to the heat, yeah.
Right. And we're going to mix this together. Let me use this spoon. And basically that's it. We got a nice flavorful veggies. Now you can use this with carrots. I never use it with broccoli because broccoli tends to overcook quickly.
Yeah, broccoli
so you
cooks
want to use
quickly.
it with a veggie that can hold up with cooking.
Probably some peppers.
Bell peppers?
Some bell peppers? No, that'll cook too fast.
Yeah, too fast.
Yeah.
I mean, you can watch it cooking time.
Yeah, yeah.
Because roasted bell peppers are delicious.
Yeah, they are. But so in other words, you could even mix carrots into that there.
Yeah, so you could, good idea. You can mix
Yeah.
carrots and cauliflower,
cauliflower.
and you have it together.
And you can have a veggie on the side.
Yeah.
For Christmas.
Add it back to your dish.
And you put it back in the oven.
Put it back in the oven.
Oh, Charlie.
And make sure it gets brown and crisp and nice.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
Joel, it's super delicious. Now, I want to taste this because, you know, me. Yes. Cauliflower. Mm-hmm. No, Joel.
Is it good?
Seriously, I swear, I'm telling you the truth.
Let me just get a fork, okay, Charlie? Because you took my last fork.
Oh, that was your fault?
Yeah, yeah. No, it's all right. It's okay. Let me just see. It's super delicious.
Yes.
I'll be the judge of that.
Joel, come on.
This is a,
Tell them, be honest to them.
this is a good dish.
Really, really is nice. I absolutely love it.
Veggies for Christmas. Because see the folks at Charlene Procope. That's really good, Charlene.
And it's still a little bit of ingredients.
Get the recipe, guys. We will upload that recipe, and you can try this recipe from Charlene. This is a wonderful dish that you could have for the
For
holidays.
Christmas, anytime, a nice side dish to add to your food.
Thank you very much.